right, so here's the Quest 5 or 700 pint dehumidifier, and that's the one that we had to replace under warranty. Well, this is the one we replaced. That's the new one under warranty. Took renting a forklift and 4 guys to get it up there, put it in place. And right now I'm looking for the leak, but I think the unit is flat now because I can't pick anything up, unlike when I took it down, and you've seen the last video where I stuck it underneath the sheet metal and my leak detector was going off. Well, now here's a week later and I'm picking nothing up. But what do you see? Can you see the oil stain? Look at dry, look at the color. And do you see this light staining? Do you see here's dry right here, and then you see that color change right there? So at first I thought this was just the water staining behind, because a lot of water stayed in this coil. But then I go, wait a minute, this is stained, or this is a week later, and we're staying looking all like this a week later. This is almost a week. There's water still strapped in there. We're in San Francisco. We're in a warehouse with no airflow, high humidity, and that little bit of water right there that you see has been there all week. So there's a lot of water in here, but this is on the surface. This is staining. This is oil on there. And so I'm suspecting that I'm gonna find a leak here. Usually I don't find them in these when they're new, but microchannel are prone to leak. So I'm gonna check the pressure in this thing, hook up to it. If there's no pressure, add a little refrigerant for a tracer glass. Maybe add dry nitrogen in it to drive the pressure up with some refrigerant, and re-leak test it. That was a kind of a pain in the butt to get this very last panel off, because they put a rivet in here. Of the whole entire system, they put one rivet in the way right here, and the panel came and it wrapped around here and it came inside, and I could not take, there's the rivet right there. This one rivet was holding up, taking this thing away from repairing. So it makes you one step more, and you just have to go get a tool and get a step bit and drill out that rivet. But that's kind of unnecessary. It really wastes your time if you want to do a wrap and complete tear down. Just to get to the side to this one panel, you have to take all the panels off to take this one panel off. So let's see what the next video shows. When looks like I'm gonna add some refrigerant, some nitrogen to put up the pressure, and I'll take out the bubble, I'll take out the ultrasonic leak detector, and we'll compare, Stratus, and we'll compare and see what we find. Let's turn this off, stop wasting batteries. All right, see you on the next video.